Finding the area of a project by Sabrina Millicent from ninth grade A, which is me, the voice talking to you right now. The shapes we're going to be finding the area of are shapes that can be a little bit easy, but that it is kind of difficult for me to remember how to find their area, so I'm going to share it with you guys. Our objective. The students will learn how to find the area of a triangle, a circle, a rhombus, and a cylinder. By the end of this lesson, you're going to have to answer some challenging questions, so I advise you to pay attention. Area of a triangle. Finding the area of a triangle is really easy to do. All we need to do is use this equation. Area equals half base times height. If we substitute the numbers, it'll be really easy for us to find the area of a triangle. Now let's see an example. So, for example, in this picture, all we need to do is divide 4 by 2, which would equal 2, and then we would multiply 2 by 6, and that would give us our area, which is 12 centimeters squared. We are dividing 4 by half because we're following our equation, which tells us to divide b by half. Area of a circle. Calculating the area of a circle is easy to do because of our equation, which is area equals pi times radius squared. Radius is the diameter of a circle cut in half or divided by 2. For further understanding, let's see an example. In this example, our diameter equals 20. So our radius would equal 10 because our radius is our diameter cut in half. And as we all know, pi equals 3.14, and our equation is pi times radius squared. So our example would be pi times 10 squared, what would equal our area, which is 314 centimeters squared. Area of a rhombus. Now, the equation for finding the area of a rhombus is base times height, much like the formula for finding the area of a square or rectangle, because a rhombus is pretty much a square or rectangle, but in a more diagonal shape, like a kite. So in this example, we have a height of 15 and a base of 19, so we will multiply them to get our area, which is 285 centimeters squared. Area of a cylinder. It may seem a little bit long and complicated, but the equation for finding the area of a cylinder is really easy. It's A equals 2 times pi times radius squared plus 2 times pi times radius times height. Let's look into an example. I started out by multiplying 5 times 5, so it could equal 5 squared times pi, and then I multiplied that by 2, and then I added it to pi times 5 times 10. And then I added those two results together, and it gave me my final area of 471. I achieved that by following our equation. Now, since we're all very good students, let's do some challenging questions. So, this was today's lesson where we learned how to find the area of a triangle, a trapezoid, a rhombus, and a cylinder. Bye!